Hi there, this is the Binance Coin weekly Wyckoff session. Thanks for joining, and before getting into the details, as usual, these sessions are not financial advice, they're for education and research purpose only. Despite that, your comments and discussions are very welcome. And when we look at this, I haven't drawn a sign of weakness because I don't think it's significant enough over here. So if it happens, like hits the yellow line, I will draw a sign of weakness over here. However, given it, we have seen the upwards and upwards of the distribution, and also the lower highs and lower lows, it's, at least to me, it's a scenario where the price is slowly coming down. However, there's, like I've mentioned a couple of times, Binance Coin is a bit tricky because it's also an exchange currency. So its demand can be like injected with noise because there are like frequent or active trading activities both during the market up and down. So it may stay up there for a little longer compared to other altcoins. However, we can see from the accumulation cycle that happened in 2022 all the way to 2024 that lasted for almost 2 years. 1 year, 1 year and a half to be exact. If I draw the line here, that's 567 days. So going back to this chart, this LPSY is pretty much confirmed, and if it really comes down below this support line, this pink support line, the purple line defined by the automatic reaction would be the next level, that's around mid 500. If we take a look at the daily chart, after the price broke out from the downward channel, the blue one, it has a little bit of an upward trend, so we can draw an upward channel, but we can already see clearly that if I adjust this a little, it has already fallen outside of that upward channel as well. So let me change back to candlesticks. As of this moment, it's only hovering around the center line of the pink box, the short-term playground zone. So I've explained in other sessions that this line is drawn by observing the peaks of this trading range. So it doesn't have to be exactly at 50% height of the short-term playground zone. It all depends on the trading activity patterns. So we see a very long range from March 2024 all the way to October 24. Most of the peaks stopped over here. That was a price level around 612. That's why I've drawn this line over here, and this line has actually been support line for quite a while as well, since 2024 November all the way to December, until we have this bumpy ride started this year. So let's see for how long this can hold, whether it would develop a similar pattern that happened in November last year. If there's sufficiently good news, then that can happen, but that was a time where a lot of speculation to the positive side happened during November. The situation is completely different now, so it may not be a likely scenario. So be careful how the price is going to develop, because when it first started to fall, somewhere in mid-Feb over here, it started as horizontal action, similar to what we have now, but then there were some drastic drops afterwards. So be really careful if you are planning to enter. So that's for Binance Coin. I'll move on to Solana.